Bullish SPEL token. SPEL cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.003079 and $0.005816 by 2030. Market experts accept SPEL could reach $0.002395 by 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000547. SPEL token. SPEL presentation. SPEL token. SPEL is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Fundamentally, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin, $MIM, Sorcery Webcash. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi, decentralized money, space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OV since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $Sushi, and different bend-raise tokens as security. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating potential open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier, LP, tokens to cultivate SPEL tokens. The undertaking was established by Danielle Sesta, who is additionally liable for Popsicle Money, decentralized market producer, and Wonderland, Olympusdao fork, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are Zeros Merlin and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and altogether recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. In spite of the peculiar name, Abracadabra's prosperity justifies itself with real evidence. Last year, it created a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. Moreover, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this video is to furnish you with a thorough value expectation of SPEL token, SPEL, from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some benefit to its clients. Then we will likewise investigate the authentic cost activity as well as the job of SPEL token and the biological system. Stablecoin advances empower financial backers to intensify yields while holding responsibility for computerized resources. For instance, financial backers can sell or reinvest their advance returns, advancing more complicated exchanging methodologies. As a general rule, DeFi conventions like Bend, Long, and SushiSwap mint IBTONs as a feature of the credit structure. Abracadabra Cash expects to additionally decentralize DeFi venture potential open doors by presenting these IBTONs as security and stablecoin credits. SPEL token. SPEL coin outline. SPEL token is the stage's local money in view of the Ethereum blockchain. However, a lot higher in amount than MIM, these coins are really tracked down less normally available for use. This is on the grounds that they are to a great extent utilized as a type of administration token on Abracadabra's own foundation. Administration tokens give holders the choice to either cast a ballot themselves or representative their votes with respect to changes on the responsible stage's redesigns. This basically implies they become a type of partner, and similarly likewise with typical stakeholding, the more capital they vow, the more noteworthy their say in proposed changes to that stage's configuration. SPEL tokens likewise permit their holders a choice to procure automated revenue by marking the genuine tokens themselves too. SPEL donors are given MIM in return for their contributed tokens, which can likewise be utilized themselves in danger of losing their SPEL. SPEL supporters likewise acquire intermittently from exchanging charges made on Abracadabra's foundation when they stake SPEL. As referenced in the tokenomics, these profit are disseminated by means of SPEL. SPEL token is right now worth $0.000684 United States dollars. SPEL has moved 1.84% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,573,331. SPEL token is right now position 313 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $79,811,443 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for SPEL token. SPEL. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant SPEL token, SPEL, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. SPEL token. SPEL, Value Expectation 2023 SPEL token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. SPEL, the SPEL cost gauge for 2023, expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.001026. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.000958 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. SPEL is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000821. SPEL token, SPEL, Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024, SPEL token SPEL cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0.001710. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the SPEL's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.001368 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.001505. SPEL token, SPEL, Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.002395 and SPEL might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.002189 and a low of $0.002053 in 2025. SPEL token, SPEL, Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that SPEL token effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2026. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.003079 with a base cost of $0.002737 and a typical cost of $0.002874. SPEL token, SPEL, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.003558 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.003421 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SPEL has a most extreme value worth of $0.003763. SPEL token, SPEL, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.004242. On the off chance that SPEL figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.004447. Neglect